How to increase brightness on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can make your Roblox brighter. It's a quick and easy process, so follow along. If Roblox looks too dark or you can't see well, here's how you can adjust the brightness. So first of all, what I want you to know that the in-game settings on Roblox don't control the brightness. So if you go to the settings in the game like Blox Fruits, you will see options for camera and graphics, but nothing for the brightness. While you can change the brightness for Roblox, you can't do it from inside the game. So in order to adjust the brightness, look at the bottom right corner of your screen on the Windows taskbar. So if you're using your laptop, you will see the option to adjust your brightness. There should be an icon and you can click on it to find the display options. However, most laptops and monitors will have the option in Windows, which is accessible through the taskbar icon. Or in PC, there are 5 different buttons in the bottom right of your screen. And if you tap on the second button from the right, it will display 4 different options. Tap on the second one, which is beside the cross icon. And once you do that, you will find the option of brightness or contrast. And once you tap on it, there you will see the option of brightness and contrast. You can go ahead and increase the brightness. Use the other button to switch it to contrast and increase or decrease it according to your preference. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can adjust the brightness in your Roblox or in your computer. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.